Workers' compensation medical benefits. What is covered? If you were hurt on the job in Pennsylvania, the workers' compensation system is designed to cover every reasonable and necessary medical treatment you need, with nothing coming out of your own pocket. Under the Pennsylvania Workers' Compensation Act, 77 PS Section 531, your employer is legally required to pay for all medical care that is causally connected to your workplace injury. Covered treatment includes emergency room visits, hospital stays, surgery, prescription medications, physical and occupational therapy, chiropractic care, and diagnostic imaging like MRIs and X-rays. Mental health treatment can also be covered when it is directly connected to a physical injury you suffered at work, making the scope of benefits broader than many injured workers realize. Elective procedures, experimental treatments, and care unrelated to your workplace incident are generally excluded from coverage under Pennsylvania law. The employer's workers' compensation insurance carrier pays all covered medical bills directly, which means you should never receive a bill, pay a copayment, or cover a deductible for work-related treatment. Using your personal health insurance to pay for a work injury can create billing disputes, delay your care, and even raise questions about whether your injury was truly work-related. If you receive a medical bill for treatment that workers' comp should be covering, contact the employer's insurer immediately to have it redirected rather than ignoring it. Pennsylvania law does allow your employer to require you to treat with providers from a designated list for the first 90 days from your initial visit, but only if the employer properly posted a valid list and gave you written notice. That designated list must include at least 6 healthcare providers, at least 3 of whom must be physicians, and no more than 4 may be coordinated care organizations. If your employer never posted a valid panel, if the panel lacked the required number of providers, or if you never received written notice, the 90-day restriction does not apply and you may choose your own doctor from the start. Once the 90-day period ends, you have the right to treat with a physician of your own choosing, provided you notify the employer within 5 days of your first visit with the new provider. When an insurer disputes whether treatment is reasonable or necessary, the formal process in Pennsylvania is called utilization review, which can apply to both treatment already provided and treatment being proposed. Pennsylvania workers' compensation law generally does not require formal pre-authorization before reasonable, necessary, work-related treatment is delivered, so an insurer cannot simply withhold approval to deny you care. At Luxenberg, Garbett, Kelly, and George P.C. Attorney Lawrence the 1000th. Kelly and attorney Joseph A. George help injured workers throughout Newcastle and Lawrence County secure the full medical benefits the law provides. When your benefits are challenged or your claim is denied, having a dedicated lawyer in your corner who brings board-certified trial skill and peer-recognized excellence can make all the difference in your case. If you are facing a denied claim or a dispute over medical treatment, call the law firm Luxenberg Garbett, Kelly, and George P.C. at 724-658-8535, located at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania 16101, United States, to schedule your free consultation today.